Be very careful of what you think about because your thoughts become your reality. Whatever you think will come true, so think positive. That is the scariest thing you can say to an overthinker because, like we all know, overthinkers have this beautiful art of thinking about negative consequences and thinking about the worst possible scenarios because we like to protect ourselves. We like to believe that if we've thought about all the possible circumstances, then when they actually occur, we'll be able to deal with them. Or that if we think about the worst possible scenario, and something better happens, we'll feel relieved. That's just how overthinkers function. But otherwise, also, it's very difficult to always think that the world is full of unicorns and chocolate raining and candies, right? Like it's realistic to think about how things can go bad and how things can go wrong. It's very natural. Maybe overthinkers do it a tad bit obsessively, and of course, there are methods to work on it. I'm not saying that they should continue doing it, I'm just saying it happens. But when you say that our thoughts manifest reality, does that mean that overthinkers are constantly manifesting negative things for themselves? Are overthinkers acting unlucky for themselves? Are they making a mistake? Will they suffer in life because they think about negative things? I don't think so. I don't think so, guys. I don't think manifestation is a spell where you think whatever and that comes true, because if that happened, that would be insane and crazy. And you don't have to believe that everything you think will come true and would lead to a negative manifestation. Now, part of it is true. If you're constantly thinking about something, there is a chance that it will affect how you act. But here's the thing, right? You can have a certain amount of thoughts about something. You can feel fear, you can feel anxiety, you can feel positive, negative. The point is, what do you do after? How do you process those emotions? I think that is where the magic lies.